What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I got a little bit of progress for you to show you here on the 89 Chevy short bed. So we're going to get right into it. Alright, so I've been doing a little bit of work on the bedside here. There was some spots here that I had missed before, but I went ahead and I got that. There's little spots here and here, and I did some more on here for a little bit of shaping, and I did a little bit of work here, but I did get to the wheel arch. This is just the first coat. It's kind of the rough coat. It'll need, of course, sand it down, and then I'll see where it's sitting and then put another layer on it, and then it should maybe only take one more layer to smooth this out, but then again, it may actually take two little skimmings. But anyways, that is what I got done today. Alright, so today I did a little bit more work on this passenger side rocker. It's not perfect, but there's still going to be blocking, and then some more primer, and then more blocking. But there's going to be some blocking on this cab corner as well. The back, acceptable. It'll be hidden by the bed anyways. So anyhow, also did a little bit of work out here on the bed. As you can see back here, I got this part here filled in. It'll still need blocked again, but there's a little skimming that needs done here. You can see that there's some little pits that need filled in, so no big deal. We'll get those taken care of. Anyway, there will be some more to do, but also I've been looking at this side a little bit too, and I think it's pretty good. I'll say that this is acceptable considering. So it's still going to need blocked and stuff a couple more times anyways, you know. Once before the primer and then another time after the primer anyway. So anyways, I'll get back to it tomorrow. Okay, so I've been doing some primer, and I finally got that arch fixed and stuff, and I've been doing some primering. I got the bed sides all done. I got this front piece done. Get this side done. Finally got that wheel arch looking pretty decent. It's not the most phenomenal on the planet, but it's alright. And down here I got this section done. And here. And I did get the fender. I had a spot that I had to fix here, so I put a little bit of well, I welded some metal in and smoothed it out with some body filler. And then I did this roll pan, which there wasn't much to do but sand down on this, but so far that's what I have done. I also got the rocker finished on the passenger side. I mean, I still need to, you know, finish sanding the rest of it. But anyways, the spot where I patched, I got it all smoothed out and primered. Cab corner is looking pretty good. Still, anyways, I'll finish up this stuff, you know, as I finish the rest of the cab, because I still got all the cab to do, and the doors and the other fender over there. I still got the tailgate to primer. You know, primer in the tailgate won't be such a big deal. You can see it's not in too bad a shape, so it really shouldn't take a whole lot to get it smoothed out and stuff and get it in primer. So anyways, started working on the tailgate. Had a couple of little dents in it, so I welded a few nails to it, and and used my slide hammer to pull the dents out. Once I got the dents pulled, I went ahead and I cut off the nails and went ahead and smoothed it back out, getting it ready for some mud. Then I put a little mud on it and let it set up. Once it set up, I hit it up with some 60 grit. Ended up doing another thin layer, hit it up with 60 grit as well to shape it up a little bit. Still had a small spot in it, so I made another baby batch of mud and did another thin layer. By the time the filler got set up, it was getting pretty dark, so I went ahead and packed it in for the night. Figured I'd start fresh the next day. So after knocking down the thin coat of filler and blocking it one last time, I hit up the rest of the tailgate with some 150 grit. It had a lot of chip spots that needed feathered out. So once I got the tailgate done on the outside, I flipped it and did a little of the top of the inside. I'm not going to put a lot into the inside for now because the inside of the bed will get bed coating eventually, and I'll deal with all that when the time comes. So I went ahead and flipped it back over and blew off the dust and gave it a good wipe down, taped off the Chevy nameplate and hit it up with the rattle can filler primer. I can get to work on the hood. I started off by feathering all the pits, and boy was there a lot of them. After that, I went over the entire hood to finish it off. I grabbed the lacquer thinner and a couple of rags and gave the hood a good wipe down. Then I hit up the feather spots with the filler primer. Since I didn't charge my camera last night, the battery died on me, so I went ahead and finished up the hood and tailgate off camera. Okay guys and gals, that's going to be it for this video. I sure appreciate y'all watching. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.